I like to see my bathroom always clean, or else I would feel not clean enough even after a shower. So, in every alternative days, I would clean my bathroom and not in a detailed way, an easy, quick way. So, today I was planning to clean my bathroom, then I thought, why not? Let's make a video of it. To clean wash basin and toilet, I am using Harpic here. And for mirror, the glass cleaner. For floor and the outer part of closet and all other things, I'm using this floor cleaning lotion, and I just diluted with some water and I sprayed it all over and wiped it off with some cotton cloths. I don't have enough space to keep all these stuffs in my drawer, so I bought this plastic stand from IKEA. It's really good one, not that expensive, but solid plastic and easy to clean, compact in design. I guess they have other color options too. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye.